That's the space company founded by billionaire Jeff Bezos. Blue Origin has had 17 consecutive successful launches, all of them cleared by the FAA.
A strong note of appreciation for the SpaceX team that's worked. It's been 17 years to get to this point.
This is Blue Moon. We've been working on this lander for 3 years. It's a very large lander. It'll soft land in a precise way, 3.6 metric tons.
In the annals of history, exploration has always been a narrative of rivalry and competition. From Columbus and Vasco da Gama's race for new sea routes to the Cold War era space race, today a new chapter is being written, not by nations, but by visionaries with unmatched ambition, unparalleled wealth, and unquenchable thirst for innovation. Enter Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, the trailblazing billionaires and masterminds behind SpaceX and Blue Origin respectively. Their companies are not just businesses, they are the vessels carrying their audacious dreams of exploring and colonizing space, driven by a shared vision of humanity's destiny among the stars, yet separated by starkly contrasting approaches. Musk and Bezos have sparked a private space race that's propelling us faster into the future. This is not just a tale of technological rivalry, it's a grand narrative of human ambition, marking the dawn of a new era in space exploration. At the heart of this space race are two of the most ambitious and innovative entrepreneurs of the 21st century, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. Elon Musk, a South African-born entrepreneur, is recognized for co-founding PayPal and leading Tesla Motors. His insatiable curiosity and drive to solve humanity's greatest challenges led him to form SpaceX in 2002. Musk's ultimate vision is audacious: to make humans a multiplanetary species. He views Mars as a backup drive for humanity, a place where a self-sustaining human population could thrive if Earth were ever to experience a catastrophic event. This bold aspiration is a foundation of SpaceX's every mission. Jeff Bezos, the founder of the online retail giant Amazon, has an equally grand but somewhat different vision. Inspired by the space colonizing concepts of physicist Gerard K. O'Neill, Bezos established Blue Origin in 2000. His goal is to ensure the survival and prosperity of humanity by utilizing space's resources, thus preserving Earth's fragile environment. Bezos envisions a future with millions of people living and working in space, an idea which forms the bedrock of Blue Origin's undertakings. Both Musk and Bezos have radically disrupted the space industry, setting the stage for a compelling battle for space dominance. SpaceX, founded in 2002 by Elon Musk, quickly became a frontrunner in the private aerospace industry. With a vision of making life multiplanetary, Musk aimed to reduce space transportation costs to enable the colonization of Mars. This ambitious goal led to the development of pioneering technology, such as the reusable Falcon rockets and the groundbreaking Starship. On the other hand, Jeff Bezos founded Blue Origin in 2000 with a slightly different vision. Inspired by Gerard K. O'Neill's ideas about living in space, Bezos envisioned millions of people working and living in space to benefit Earth. To achieve this, Blue Origin focuses on building a future where people can live and work in self-sustaining habitats in space. Its New Shepard suborbital rocket and the upcoming New Glenn orbital-class rocket are testaments to its commitment to this vision. SpaceX and Blue Origin have both achieved remarkable milestones in their journeys. SpaceX's successes are widely recognized. It is the first privately funded company to send a spacecraft, Dragon, to the International Space Station in 2012. In 2020, it made history again by launching NASA astronauts from US soil, a feat not achieved since the Space Shuttle program's retirement in 2011. Moreover, the company's development of reusable rockets has ushered in a new era of cost-effective space travel. Blue Origin, albeit moving at a more measured pace, has its share of accolades. Its New Shepard spacecraft has successfully demonstrated human-rated reusable rocket technology, a critical step in the company's progress. Blue Origin also made headlines in 2021 when it ferried its first crew of space tourists, including Jeff Bezos himself, to the edge of space, solidifying its position in the burgeoning space tourism industry. SpaceX and Blue Origin are distinguished not only by their achievements, but also by their unique approaches to space exploration. SpaceX operates with a clear, Mars-centric vision, focusing on the development of a fully reusable spacecraft, the Starship, capable of carrying up to 100 passengers to the Red Planet. On the contrary, Blue Origin's vision is more Earth-centric. Bezos believes in preserving Earth by moving heavy industries off the planet and into space. The company aims at developing the infrastructure necessary for future space entrepreneurs to thrive, starting with reliable access to the lunar surface via its lunar lander, Blue Moon. In their journey towards space dominance, both SpaceX and Blue Origin have encountered their share of setbacks and controversies. SpaceX has experienced spectacular rocket failures, sometimes at crucial development stages, although these have been key learning points. The company has also faced criticism for its Starlink satellite constellation, with astronomers concerned about light pollution and space debris. Blue Origin has had to deal with its own setbacks, including technical delays that have slowed its progress. Its lawsuit against NASA for awarding a lucrative lunar lander contract to SpaceX has also invited criticism, seen by some as an attempt to stall the competition rather than win through innovation. The rivalry between SpaceX and Blue Origin has profound implications for the broader space industry. Their technological innovations, particularly in reusable rockets, have fundamentally changed the economics of space travel, making it more accessible. Moreover, their bold visions have stimulated renewed interest in space exploration and have driven policy changes towards commercial spaceflight. They're not just altering the industry landscape, they're also inspiring the next generation of space enthusiasts. Their work has rekindled the public's interest in space, paving the way for a new era of space exploration where private companies have a major role to play. Looking ahead, the battle for space dominance is set to escalate. SpaceX is forging ahead with its plans for a manned mission to Mars, with the Starship's high-capacity design being pivotal to realizing this goal. The company also continues to expand the Starlink satellite constellation, promising global broadband internet coverage. For Blue Origin, the near future promises a new lens made in flight, bringing it a step closer to its vision of millions living and working in space. The company also continues to focus on its lunar lander, aiming to become a reliable transportation service for the Moon. The privatized space race between SpaceX and Blue Origin is already having profound impacts on our economy and society. Their ventures are creating new industries and job opportunities, ranging from aerospace engineering to space tourism. The heightened interest in space has led to an increased focus on STEM education, inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. These companies are also laying the groundwork for a space-based economy, be it mining asteroids for resources, manufacturing in zero-gravity environments, or establishing lunar bases for research and tourism. They are pushing the boundaries of what's economically possible. However, there are societal implications to consider. As space becomes a new frontier, we must ask who benefits from these advances. Will access to space and its resources be evenly distributed, or will it deepen the existing socio-economic divide? The space race is not just about technological prowess, it's about shaping a future society that is equitable and inclusive. The Billionaire space race also raises complex ethical questions. One critical concern is space debris. As SpaceX and Blue Origin increase their launches, they contribute to the growing amount of space junk, which poses risk to both manned and unmanned space missions. Another issue is a matter of space law and governance. Who has the right to claim and mine resources from celestial bodies? Can a private company lay claim to a portion of Mars or the Moon? These questions highlight the need for comprehensive international legislation to avoid future conflicts. There's a contentious debate about the prioritization of resources. Should we invest in space exploration when there are pressing issues here on Earth that require urgent attention and resources? Finally, as these companies commercialize space, it's important to ask who gets to participate in this next stage of human evolution. Is space only for those who can afford it, or is it a shared heritage for all humankind? The answers to these questions will shape not only the future of space exploration, but the future of our society as a whole. SpaceX and Blue Origin, led by two visionary billionaires, have redefined the boundaries of what is achievable in the space industry. Through their respective companies, Musk and Bezos have driven innovation, inspired a new generation of space enthusiasts, and laid the foundation for a future where space travel is commonplace. As the race continues, the ultimate victors will not just be SpaceX or Blue Origin, but humanity as a whole, as we step closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. If you made it this far, then you might want to consider subscribing and dropping a like, since we have even more interesting videos coming up soon. Have fun, and see you in the next one.